A common problem that affects many people is insomnia. Insomnia is defined as the difficulty either falling or staying asleep. Insomnia can cause many problems in day-to-day life. It can lead to being fatigued, performing poorly, getting headaches, being irritable and becoming depressed. Some natural remedies, relaxation techniques, exercises, sleep hygiene, and behaviors that can improve the symptoms of insomnia. Here are the top home remedies for insomnia. 1. Cumin seeds. Cumin used for making delicious food, it has been known to help with digestion. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, it was used to induce sleep. Cumin oil also helps one to feel sleepy. 2. Nutmeg. Nutmeg also can cause sleepiness. Therefore, it also can naturally help you fall asleep. 3. Saffron. Saffron is another spice that can cause sleepiness. 4. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is well known to help relax the body and calm the mind, which can help relieve insomnia. Scientists think a chemical called apigenin, found in chamomile, gets credit for this. 5. Bananas. Bananas have amino acids that can help improve your sleep. The acids are called tryptophan. Tryptophan helps your body create a chemical called serotonin, which helps regulate your sleep. Bananas also contain several minerals, including iron, calcium and potassium. Each of these minerals help to cause drowsiness. 6. Fenugreek juice. Juice made from fenugreek leaves can help you calm down and relaxed. We all know when your mind and body are relaxed, it is easier to fall asleep. 7. Valerian. Valerian is very strong and it does cause sleepiness and relaxes the muscles. It causes sleepiness and relaxes muscles. Valerian is important to establish a regular sleep routine. Sleep in a room that is dark, quiet and away from any distraction. Avoid large meals before bedtime and try not to eat too late in the day. Try some relaxation techniques, such as meditation or prayer. Eliminate caffeine and try to get a workout in throughout the day. Taking care not to work out too late. It is of great importance to note that if sleep is affecting your day-to-day life, you should seek medical treatment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.